Hey everyone, so today I'm so excited. I'm going to be doing a video dyeing my hair using the new Colourpop Main Event semi-permanent hair dyes. They were kind enough to send these to me. They sent me the purple and the pink, so those are the shades I'm going to use. I will be using an orange from a different brand, but until then, we have Colourpop hair dye and I'm so excited. Colourpop was one of my favorite makeup brands for the longest time, so the fact that they literally sent me PR is kind of crazy. I've been really sick, if you guys haven't known, so life's been kind of bad, but you know, I'm finally feeling, well, actually mainly pain meds that are making me up to dyeing my hair, and as you guys can see, it's a mess. So let's get into the video. If I could not knock stuff over, that'd be great. So this is what the lid looks like, and then this is what the purple dye looks like. It's a very, very dark purple, so I may, well, I'm doing it in my roots, so I probably won't dilute it. And I tested Main Event raspberry hair tint. I did that on my like money piece, so we're gonna see how that goes, and then I'm gonna be doing an ombre of purple to pink to orange to yellow. So that's what we're gonna do today. So basically I'm just taking it probably a few inches down my roots, and I'll blend it into my roots, but my roots are a dark brown, so they won't stay long anyways. So we're in my bathroom lighting. This is how my hair turned out. It's so pretty. I'll try to take more videos when there's good natural lighting. Right now it's overcast, but this is how it turned out. I think it's amazing. The raspberry is what I did in my bangs, and I am obsessed. I love it so much.
Okay, so this is what my hair looks like in my balcony lighting. This video is not very flattering. I look really, really bad here, but honestly, I'm in love with how my hair turned out. I think it looks beautiful. This is a makeup look I did right after I dyed my hair the next day. It's just, I'm in love with how this turned out. I'm really happy with the Colourpop tints. I'll do a full review once I know the longevity and all that, but until then, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Colourpop, for sending me these hair dyes. That was so amazing of you. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe, comment down below any videos you'd like to see me do. Go follow my Instagram and TikTok, make it by TashaXO, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.